Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove author name and date inside the WordPress posts. So make sure to follow this process step by step and you will be able to do it. Now first of all, go to the admin panel of WordPress. Make sure to log in with your account, and once you're at the dashboard of the WordPress, so from the left side just scroll down, and at the end you will see an option called plugin. Make sure to scroll it and find this option called plugins, and once you hover your mouse on the plugin, so you will see these three options: install plugins, add new plugin, or plugin file editors. Just click on the second option, which is add new plugin. Just click on add new plugin, and once you click here, so you will be at the this page, add plugins. So you will see this search plugins section as well. So inside this section called search plugin, just write this down: WP meta and date remover. Make sure to write this statement, press enter, and it will start searching for the plugins for your WordPress website. So make sure to open this first plugin. You can say WP meta and date remover. Just click on install now, and once installed you can just click on add now. And to understand the process, you can just click on this plugin as well. And now as you can see how to remove. So install meta WP meta date remover, activate. First step is install, activate, choose whether to hide from the backend, if you want to hide it from the page source, or you want to hide it from the front end, or both. That is your choice. You can select it, save the settings, and you're done. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can install it, add it, remove it, and complete your process. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.